Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, stay tuned. Alright, so we're starting off with a nice base. Our brow is clean, so is our lid. And now we're going to take a dark blue and a medium fluffy brush, and we're going to put that dark blue into our crease. And just pack on the color. We will worry about blending later. Alright, so now that we got that dark blue out of the way, now we are putting in a light baby blue shade on top of that dark blue shade. And don't blend it, just pat it on, because we actually want to see the color. Alright, so now that we have the light blue, now we're going to pack on the dark blue again. And we're going to add the light blue again. We're just layering on the colors. So the next color we're using is a dark purple color. I know it looks blue, but it is purple. I'm guessing it looks blue because of the royal blue that we're using, but we're just putting that in our crease and blending it. So after you add your purple shade, blend it out, add the dark blue, and then add the baby blue. And then now we are going to cut our crease. Here I'm using a flat brush that I got from the craft store, and I'm just going to stamp it on my lid and then create kind of like a half circle, I guess, but more so keeping it in the middle. So I'm trying to get this cut perfect. Later I do go in with a small thin brush and line the top part to make it really crispy, but yeah, I have to keep it perfect. See how crisp it is? Now we're going to pat in the concealer so then we can add our shadow. And I'm using a dark purple to put on the outer corners of the halo, and just patting it in. And this is a smudge brush from e.l.f. that I'm using, and it costs $2. I messed up a little bit, but you'll see I'll fix it later. Now we're taking a orange pigment and putting that in the middle of our halo eye, and we're just going to pack it on. Looking good, looking good. Now it's time for glitter. I use NYX glitter primer and this neon orange glitter that I got from the craft store. I'm just going to apply it where the orange pigment is. Create a little wing and then do your lower lash line. Now we're going to add lashes, and we are complete. I also added the neon orange pigment in my inner tear ducts. What I did was I just put a little concealer on, and then I dotted the pigment in my inner corner, and that was that. I was done. On my lips is a basic brown liner, and the lip gloss I'm using is from NYX Cosmetics. It's the Intense Butter Gloss, and it's in Peanut Brittle. They do not have it anymore, but I'm pretty sure you can go on Amazon or Walmart and try to find it if you really like the color. So this is the look, and I hope everyone enjoyed it. I'm trying to do upload a video every single day. We are at, I think, maybe 51 subscribers. I'm really happy. I started my channel maybe a month ago, and it has really been progressing. You know, slow progress is better than none, but I'm really thankful. And once we get to 100 subscribers, I might do a giveaway. Not really sure, but thank y'all so much for the support. I really do appreciate it. Comment maybe what you want to see from me next, and I will be glad to do it. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Mwah.